Welcome, dear creatives. In this video, we'll be making a very beautiful fascinator. Now, you need to click on the link that is showing on your screen now to watch the part one. We're just going to do a continuation of this fascinator here. So you'll be able to understand how I got to this point. Yeah. So what I'm going to do next now is just to take my feather, and then I'll be using my feather to, put it in place exactly where I want it to be on the fascinator. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Also, kindly turn on the notification button so you will not miss out on my weekly DIY videos that I drop every Wednesday by 3 p.m. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. And then if this is your first time, thank you also for stopping by. So I'll just apply some glue at the edge of my feather, and then I'm going to stick it into my fascinator close to the crinoline embellishment. Okay, so when I stick it in properly, I would also do some stitches, to ensure that it stays in very well, to ensure that the fascinator is durable. I did not cover the stitching part, but I will eventually do some stitches, okay, using my fishing line or matching color of thread. So this is how easy it is to conclude this fascinator. This is how beautiful it came out. You can be part of the Former Minds training, either the 2 weeks intensive fascinator making training or any of our advanced short courses. So this is our beautiful fascinator. Thank you for watching.